Phoenix Kiosk develops hardware, software, and turnkey solutions, most of which are custom tailored to perform a specific function for a specific customer. Phoenix Kiosk was founded on the belief that quality products and tireless service are more important than faux corporate image and parroted promises. Phoenix Kiosk designs, manufactures, and distributes enduring, approachable, self-service technologies for use in a wide variety of applications.
The key personnel have been intact together since 2003, which has given us that unity to allow us to excel in the verticals that we do and try and keep up with the changes in technology.
With over 20 different kiosk models to choose from, Phoenix Kiosk is able to provide the right hardware for your market. In 2009 alone, over $70 billion was spent in home health care. As medical facilities push to keep up with continually changing advances in kiosk technology and delivery of healthcare to the end user, it becomes imperative to have a company that understands all the required needs. Phoenix Kiosk has a long-standing history with the medical community.
That's something that Phoenix Kiosk has indirectly been involved with for the past 10 years. Technology and telemedicine are the key buzzwords in the healthcare arena. And with the rapid changes in technology today, telemedicine and remote healthcare has become a predominant factor in the healthcare arena. We have managed to incorporate all of the changes in technology and software to make us a leader in this vertical.
Our online medical kiosk offers efficiency in all aspects of the medical field, from appointment check-in to self-standing kiosks that let you direct connect to a doctor.
Hi Jane, I'm Dr. Harris. How can I help you today?
Hi Dr. Harris. I have a bump on my arm. It seems to be getting worse.
To comply with federal HIPAA regulations, which require enhanced privacy protection of individuals' health and medical information, Phoenix Kiosk uses integrated privacy filters, which allow only the individual using the kiosk system to read the data on the screen. The kiosk model allows healthcare to reach a long arm out to the end user, whether it be in your local drugstore or to remote disaster zones. They also allow doctors to reach remote areas where mobility may be an issue. PK also stands for reliability. Phoenix Kiosk uses a structured quality assurance process that includes more than 300 points of inspection through 4 phases of production by 3 different inspectors. We document, inspect, and constantly monitor incoming raw materials, cosmetic finishes, external surfaces, and hardware and software functionality. Phoenix Kiosk also performs a final inspection of the finished goods and packaging. Each unique Phoenix Kiosk model is built for a variety of applications and can accommodate numerous peripherals. Phoenix Kiosk also provides complete in-house kiosk design and customization.
Basically, a client will come to us with their idea, and we'll take that idea and provide a couple different sketches and maybe bring it into our 3D program and provide a few different concepts for them and take it from there. Our clients kind of expect us to provide that for them since we are the kiosk experts, and that's a very key role in the design position is being able to know what components should go where and offer suggestions.
Phoenix Kiosk works with you from start to finish, from the initial design of your hardware and software through manufacturing and development to the distribution of your products worldwide. We also continue to provide consumables as well as in-field technical service and support at your request. Unlike our competition, Phoenix Kiosk truly is an end-to-end self-service kiosk partner. Phoenix Kiosk always keeps one goal in mind: to provide clients with the best hardware, software, and customer service in our industry. We expect to go the extra mile because we included it on our map.